Good evening, everyone. How are you all? All right. So I would request everyone to please switch on your videos and keep yourself on mute until you're asked to unmute yourself. So everyone, please switch on your videos. Vishakha, Komal, Oppo A9, Supriya, and Ravneet. All right. So those who are visible and those who are listening, a very good evening to each one of you. Welcome to Forever Star India Awards, and Forever Star India is organizing the most unique beauty pageants of the country, Forever Miss India and Forever Mrs. India 2021. And today, all of you are here for audition, your virtual audition. So I will just explain the process of audition ramp walk, 2 rounds of your ramp walk, right? So once you're done with 2 rounds of your ramp walk, everybody will sit comfortably and then you will be giving your introduction. In your introduction, you are just supposed to tell your name. After your name, you will be telling the place that you belong to, your age, why do you want to participate in Forever Miss or Mrs. India, and what are you passionate about? What are your hobbies? Right? That's clear. So your introduction has to be very, very crisp. So everybody, let's start with your ramp walk. We'll do it simultaneously. All of you are going to do it all together. All clear? Give me a virtual thumbs up if everybody understands what I'm saying. Perfect. Perfect. Komal, Shatabdi, let's start with your ramp walk. Honor, 9, Light. Let's start with your ramp walk. And Ravneet, if I could have your video switched on, please. Oppo A9, if you could change your username to your original name, it would be much easier for us to interact. All right, Komal, you could start with your ramp walk. Yes, Shatabdi, you can also start.
Just a wait, ma'am.
All right, Komal.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
I know there is some network issue at my end. It's been raining incessantly here.
Ma'am,
So, yeah.
should I do it again or?
No, Shatabdi, we're done. You can sit back comfortably.
Ma'am, I have completed my ramp walk. Should I do it again?
No, Vishakha. It's okay. You're done. So you can now sit back.
Okay, ma'am, can I start my ramp walk?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ravneet, are you done with your ramp walk? Hello, Ravneet. Good evening. Ravneet Shreya. Okay. I guess you cannot hear me.
Ma'am,
All right. Honor 9, Light.
Yes, ma'am, I have completed my ramp walk.
Okay. So you can sit back now. The one in green dress. So you can sit. Okay. So yes, Komal Jadhav, let's start with your introduction. You have to unmute yourself first.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm Komal Jadhav. I'm from Bhandara district of Maharashtra in Vidarbha region. I'm 30 years old. I have completed my post-graduation in agriculture. My hobbies are classical dancing, especially Bharatnatyam and canvas painting. I'm a range forest officer by profession. I have selected in state civil service examinations in 2016 and joined the forest department of Maharashtra. I love to try the different things. I know that it might be not the different thing from other points of view, from other people's point of view, but for me and my surrounding, it is definitely the different thing. And I think FCA provides the great opportunity to prove myself in the field of beauty and talent as well. Thank you.
Right, Komal, it's lovely to hear from you. I would want to know one more thing, that what you're doing right now as you're working in the forest department. So are you enjoying that? Is it your passion, or are you still trying to identify your passion?
Actually, it's not just my profession, it's my passion too. I just love to be in nature and smell that wild air in the forest. I also love to serve the society or tribal community residing in the forest.
Right. That's actually amazing, because there are very few people in this world who have their profession and their passion sorted. और जब दोनों एक ही चीज होती है, so it's nothing better that you can actually get in life. So yes, all the best from my side, Komal, and I will get back to you. First, let's listen to Shatabdi. Yes, Shatabdi. Tell us something about yourself. Shatabdi, you have to unmute yourself. I can't hear you.
Sorry. Yes. Can you hear me? Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hello, everyone. A very good evening. And I hope you all doing well and safe in this pandemic. Myself, Shatabdi Roy Devnath, and I am 35 years old, and I'm a very proud mother of a 5-year-old daughter. And coming to my hobbies, I love painting, singing, dancing, and poem writing. And I have in education, coming to my education, I have done MBA in HR. And after that, I have worked 5 years in, marketing and sales profile. And then after having baby, then I started my own business like an event planner. And I'm working till now, 6 years, I'm working that field. And apart from that, also, I am working with a national magazine as a marketing head of Kolkata. And also I am working with IBSW as the regional director of East India. And now also I start working with the 2 international magazines, Beginner and Glamour Era, as the business head. So this is the things that I'm going through, and also selected for the talent head manager for the United Nations pageant also. So that's the thing. And coming to my achievements, yes, biggest achievements is that I am a proud mother of a 5-year-old daughter, as I said. And after that, coming to my achievements, like I received the William Shakespeare International Award in Poetry, and also owned 2 titles as a Mrs. Goodness Ambassador 2021 and Mrs. Glam Fitness Queen at 2021. So this is the thing. And yes, FSI again, as I'm coming, that passion is as I love events and all, doing events and all, it's also my passion. But also I want to discuss something, I have already owned 2 titles, so it's just becoming a little bit another passion to be in this platform and to grab an identity so that I can inspire more people like me. So that's the thing. Thank you.
Okay, all right, Shatabdi, you seem like a complete package to me. You have almost tried everything, right? You're doing poetry, yes. You've been into HR, marketing, and sales as well, right? So that's amazing. When you actually explore every aspect of your personality, it makes you feel so much better about yourself. Yes. You get confident by each passing day. Yes. Right? And that completely shows in your personality, the way you're talking about yourself. It's
very much.
Yes, it's pretty much visible the way you're talking. Right. This platform is apt for what you're looking for, to explore the side of your personality, to be more creative with yourself, and also to become the best version of yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will come back to this, that how will, those of you who are selected in today's audition, how are we going to groom you? How are we going to train you with respect to different aspects, and different trainers are going to be there for that. So Shatabdi, it was lovely talking to you. And I
just wanted to interrupt once. Shatabdi, you haven't told me your hobbies. I just wanted to know more about your hobbies and why you're here for this platform. Can you please brief me these things?
Yes, my hobbies, like I love painting, singing, dancing, and also I love poem writing. Poet. So I write poems also. So that's my hobbies. And the second question, what is that?
Why you're here for this platform? Like, you have already gained 2 titles, but why you're here for this platform?
So again, I say that as much you can discover, as much you can you grab the opportunities and all. You can bring your best versions of yourself. So I want to groom more and more, so that I can be perfect in the so that in that way. So that's the thing. That's why I just grabbed this opportunity, because I believe that you should give it try in platforms, and so that you can discover yourself, the best version of yourself. Yes.
Yes, and you're looking beautiful, and your smile, I love it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, so let's move on to Rakhi. Yes, Rakhi.
Yes,
could we have your introduction, please?
Hello.
Yes, Rakhi, you're perfectly audible. Please continue.
जी मैम, मुझे रैंप वॉक करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. जब मेरी ख्वाहिश है ये कि रैंप वॉक मैं करूं, कुछ मुकाम कर सके हम हमारे इसमें, तो काफी अच्छा होगा. हॉबी है सिंगिंग करना, स्टडी करना, इन सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. बस मैम.
राखी, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है, अगर आपका आज ये ऑडिशन क्लियर हो जाता है तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा रैंप वॉक के अलावा? आई अंडरस्टैंड रैंप वॉक इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, आप बहुत पैशनेट है रैंप वॉक के लिए, लेकिन उसके अलावा आपको क्या लगता है, आपकी किस तरह की ट्रेनिंग होगी, आप कैसे बेटर हो जाएंगे? कुछ आइडिया है आपको ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स का?
जी, ब्यूटी फॉर फैशन का उतना कुछ नॉलेज तो नहीं है, मगर जितना हो सके उतना है, तो जो भी हो वो अच्छा ही होगा, इतना पता है सिर्फ.
I just love that spirit when you're saying कि जो भी हो अच्छा ही होना है, so you are so very positive about everything in your life, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay, Rakhi, anything that we are missing out on, Shefali?
No, ma'am, thanks. That's it. Thank you so much, Rakhi.
All right. Okay, all right. Thank you, Rakhi. अभी करते हैं आपसे और बातें. Ravneet Shreya, yes. Hi, Ravneet. Could you please tell us something about yourself? Okay. So the one with the bangs. I'm talking to you. Okay. So until the time she understands that I'm talking to her, let's move over to Komal Jaiswal. Komal, could we have your introduction, please?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Komal Jaiswal. I am 22 years old. I resided Thane. About my my hobbies. My hobbies is dancing, singing, painting, and I have completed my graduation in 2020. I have 3 years experience in export-import doing blended process, and coming to my achievement, I got Best Employee Award in 2019 and 2020 from Datamark company. And I would love to work in the fashion firm. I want to make my career in this field. Even I am pretty sure I am good model for in future. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, all right, Komal. I again love that when you say, I'm pretty sure I'm a good model. So, this is the kind of community members that we're looking for who are passionate about something. There is something extremely different about this community, Forever Star India, that we are not just looking for, polished people, but we are looking for passionate people who want to do something in their lives, who want to make a difference in the society, who want to mark a name for themselves. And we are going to help you do that. So yes, Komal, thank you so much. All right, so let's move over to Vishakha Mishra. Hi, Vishakha.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you? Tell us something about yourself.
Okay, myself Vishakha Mishra. I'm 23 years old. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are audible. Vishakha, please continue.
Okay, I'm living in Delhi, but basically I'm from Bihar. And my hobbies are singing songs, dancing, doing fashion, photo shooting, eating and traveling. And eating is the most I like. And why I want to be the part of this platform, because I want to groom myself. Already I'm groomed. My personality is okay, but I want to groom myself more because I have learned, I went through very much videos and Google also, that what happens basically in these platforms. So, and I love to go through the new things. I want to try the new things because we know we have just one life and we should try everything. And there are no limits to try the things, right? So I just want to be the part of this industry.
Okay, so Vishakha, when you said you love to travel, so have you traveled places till now, or are there any places in your bucket list that you would want to travel in the future?
I have just traveled in Delhi. Because I'm living with my family. I'm from middle class family. So right now I haven't got that opportunity to go alone. But yeah, I'm a future CA. So I have taken CA so that I can go on audits. So that I can go alone at audit and family cannot, so that you can go.
Okay.
That could be professional reason for going out.
Right. So you've actually planned it all, huh? You aspire to travel using your profession, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think if you want something, you should try with different you can go there with different directions. Your aim should be same, but the way to go there can be different.
Okay, Vishakha, in spite of having a traveling hobby, what other hobbies you have?
I am singing. I have tried in Indian Idol also.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about others?
And dancing, doing fashion, photo shooting, what every other girls want, I just.
Okay. And why you're here for this platform? To try new things, I guess?
Yeah, to try new things, to groom myself. Already I'm groomed, but I want to interact with people like you.
Okay. Thank you so much. I will take that as a compliment.
Yeah, that was a compliment.
Okay. Thank you so much, Vishakha. Moving towards to Shreya. I guess, Shreya, my voice is audible to you now?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Now you are visible and audible, both. Yeah,
yes,
please start with your introduction.
Okay, my name is Shreya Sinha. I am from Bihar. I am completed my studies, graduated, and I was starting my modeling in 8th standard. My height is 5.4, sorry, and my hobby is dancing, acting, and I love modeling. That's it by my side.
Okay, and why you're here in this field, FCI? What you wanted to gain from our platform?
Actually, ma'am, I am here for I earn my name. I want something.
You want something? What you want? Like a fame or popularity you're asking about?
Actually, I earn my name in my society.
Okay, so you wanted to explore your name in your society. That who is Shreya is, right?
Because yes, ma'am. Because everyone take a name. What's the modeling? Yeah, that's why I prove what is a modeling in India.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shreya. I'll get back to you. I know that your ramp work is still pending, so we will get back to you. Thank you so much, Shreya. Please mute yourself again.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Moving towards to Komal. No, I'm talking about Komal Suryavanshi. Please mute yourself, Komal.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, we already done.
We're done with Komal, and Komal Jaiswal is pending.
Okay.
Yes, Komal, let's start with your introduction. Komal Jaiswal.
Yes, ma'am. Written, ma'am? Yes, okay. Hello, ma'am. My name is Komal Jaiswal. I am 22 years old. I resided at Thane, and I have completed my graduation 2020, and I have a 3 years experience in import billing, and coming to my achievement, I got Best Employee Award in 2019 and 2020 for Datamark company, and I would love to work in a fashion firm because I want to make my career in this field. Even I am pretty sure I am a good model and in future. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Komal Jaiswal. Moving towards to Priya Darshini.
Hello,
Priya
ma'am.
Darshini.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're audible. Please start with your introduction.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. I am Priyadarshini and from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Currently, I am working as a government employee under Finance Department, Government of Odisha. I am very much fond of acting, dancing, and modeling. I am a trained classical singer. Apart from this, I love social working. That's why I have engaged myself in an NGO. That NGO especially working for the education of slum children. I always love to be surrounded by positive people. Apart from this, I believe in hard work and I don't believe in miracles. To join FSIA, I believe that I just want to earn my name in industry. So this platform, I think, give me a best opportunity to showcase my talents, and I'm always ready to grab it. Thank you, ma'am.
You're on mute, Shefali.
Okay, thank you so much, Priya Darshini. I just want you to be, don't be nervous with us because we are here for you and we just wanted to know more about you. Yes, so don't get nervous. I want everyone to smile because your first audition, the first, stare of your FCI. So please smile, keep smiling, everyone. Everyone should smile. Yeah, thumbs up I want.
Yes.
I think I'm audible to you guys. Okay, so here we are done with our introductions. I would request Shreya, please do your ramp work because your ramp work is still left.
Ma'am, can I play the music, ma'am?
Yes, of course you can.
Yes, of course, if you have.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, please stay 1 minute. Don't mind.
I didn't get you, Shreya. क्या बोला अभी आपने? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, I say that can you please give me few minutes? I connect Bluetooth. Please don't mind.
Okay, sure.
So
we are here as your audience.
Your music, we can, yeah. So we can introduce them to the platform and the basic details about the audition today. Yeah. Am I audible, Shefali?
Yes, you're audible. Yeah, a little, but it was network was there.
Okay.
No worries. Jaipur की बारिश है, and we are starting with our audition, so we are here.
Right. So that's how it is, and yes. First of all, thank you so much, each one of you, for appearing for today's audition. And let me tell you, all of you look lovely, especially Priyadarshini. I just love your hair, your earrings, your dress. You look absolutely lovely, all decked up for today's audition. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So yes, after listening to each one of you, I'm sure all of you agree to one thing, that all of you are so different yet so similar. हम लोग कितने यूनिक हैं, you know, आपने सबने अपना जब इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, अपने बारे में बात की, तो हमें अलग अलग चीजें पसंद है. किसी को गाना पसंद है, somebody is into dancing, somebody loves to do ramp walk, किसी को स्टाइलिंग पसंद है. तो हम सब बहुत डिफरेंट है, लेकिन अल्टीमेट हमारा एम, अल्टीमेट हमारा गोल क्या है? That we want to make a name for ourselves, and this is what this platform is all about. Forever Star India is not just organizing these beauty pageants, but we are creating a huge community of like-minded women like us, जो passionate है किसी ना किसी चीज के लिए. और हम एक बहुत ही बड़ी community बनाने जा रहे हैं, not only across the country, but from people across the world, from women across the world. और इस community का benefit क्या रहेगा? क्यों हम इस community का हिस्सा बने? So by being a part of this community, we are going to inspire each other, we are going to motivate each other, and we are going to learn from each other. And then there are going to be so many business opportunities here, because ultimately जो हमारा goal है उसको achieve करने के लिए we need a platform. And this is what the platform is, कि हम आपको different ideas देने वाले हैं. Along with those ideas, we are going to train you, we are going to groom you using our team of 150 plus experts, which has image consultants, motivational speakers, choreographers, ramp walk experts, pageant groomers. You just name the profession and we have the trainers here. Right? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको randomly किसी round में appear करने के लिए बोल दिया जाएगा. Firstly, we are going to prepare you for these rounds. And let me tell you, looking at the pandemic, looking at the situation that has been going around for a while across the world, we will be doing it virtually. Just the way that you're appearing for today's audition virtually, the same way as soon as you complete your registration, because till now you're appearing for audition. And after this audition, in the next 24 to 48 hours, you will be receiving your audition report. Right? Whether you clear the audition or you do not clear the audition, you will be receiving this audition report. This is only to maintain a transparency, and you should be crystal clear about on what basis have you been selected on this platform. As soon as you're selected, you will be completing your participation process. And once you complete your participation process, instantly we'll start with your training sessions with the experts. So first, an image consultant will train you that how you should be talking more confidently about yourself. Though I feel that this, lot of today, those of you who appeared for today's audition, you seem pretty confident to me. But still, there is a little tweaking. Definitely, your self-esteem is also boosted. You know that what am I really good at? And this is my talent and this is how I'm supposed to present it. Secondly, a makeup artist will train you. Then you will be appearing for your second round, and gradually we'll be going ahead. So we will actually be training you for a time period of 4 to 5 months from now, which will again be virtual, but towards the end, last May, जब आपकी crowning होगी, because सबसे पहले city winners select होगा, then we'll be selecting the state winners and then the national winners. बट अगर आप किसी भी लेवल पे विनर बनते हैं, देन यू विल बी कमिंग फॉर द ग्रैंड फिनाले आइदर टू गोवा और टू जयपुर, राइट? एंड हियर a grand event is going to happen, jahan pe you'll be wearing beautiful couture gowns, your makeup will be done by the experts from the industry, and you will be walking down the ramp. Just imagine that feeling ki aaj aap sirf soch rahe hain that I love modeling, I love this platform, I want to be here, and in a time span of 5 months you will be there on the stage, walking with so much poise, with so much confidence, right? So that's where I want to see each one of you. And there's one more thing that you should know. Jaise hi aap participate karte hain, you get a lifetime membership of this platform. Your individual profiles are going to be there on this platform. Just like you have your profiles on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, the same way you will have your profile on Forever Star India Awards community. And this profile will stay here forever. So, we actually go by the literal meaning of this word forever. This association is forever. ऐसा नहीं है कि pageant हो जाएगा, आप अपने रास्ते, हम अपने रास्ते. No. This association is a long-term association. Even when the pageant is done in December, उसके बाद भी we are going to launch our own OTT platform. I'm sure OTT सबको पता है. We have been relying on Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar during this pandemic. Forever Star India अपना खुद का OTT platform launch करेगा, and we will be preferring our own community members for the same. This is just one business opportunity that I'm talking about. इसके अलावा और भी opportunities आपको मिलेंगी. For instance, if you say I love to dance, हो सकता है in 5-6 months में आप इतना हो जाओ, आपकी dancing skills इतनी improve हो जाए that we might collaborate with you as one of our official trainers or one of our official choreographers, right? If you love to speak, or as Shatabdi said, I love to write, you're into poetry, then we might collaborate with you as an official trainer. You never know that. But zaruri kya hai ki aapki taraf se jo energy hai, jo enthusiasm hai, jo vigor hai, wo kam nahi hona chahiye. You will have to attend these regular sessions once or twice a week. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी रोज क्लास हो रही है, but then yes, once or twice a week you'll have to give 2 to 3 hours to the community. These trainers are going to train you, and we will be taking preferences from you. For example, if you're free during the mornings, we will be giving you a morning batch.
Okay, maybe her network issue is there. That's why
we'll be giving you an evening batch. But our ultimate aim is to see yourself growing.
I guess I can say that Jaipur is heavily raining and you are facing this problem with our end. I'm so sorry. Okay, what she was saying that you can collaborate with us, right? How you can collaborate with us? Like a choreographer. Next year, when we are launching these things, how you can collaborate? We have certain trainers. We have image consultants. We have a motivational speaker. We have ramp walking experts. We have makeup artists. We have fashion designer. If you have those skills, then you can collaborate as a fashion designer, as a choreographer, or anything else you can collaborate, right? So we are giving this opportunity to you, okay? So we are giving what? Lifetime membership you're getting that we are launching our OTT platform, right? We are giving you, or you know that you are getting everything, e-certificate, hard copy of certificate, and the award. Yeah, the biggest award, and the SAS of your own. Yeah, I mean, you will get your SAS, right? And ultimately, after we will be announcing our city winner, state winner very soon in the month of October, right? But the crowning is offline. और क्राउन तो सबको पहनना कौन नहीं चाहेगा ऑफलाइन, ऑनलाइन पहनना तो किसको, सबको बोरिंग लगेगा. एंड मी टू एज वेल, कि अगर क्राउन अगर मैं भी पहनूंगी ना तो इट वुड बी लाइक यस आई एम द डीवा. एंड बाय क्राउन से पहनने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि जस्ट क्राउन पहन लिया. नो, वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू एवरीथिंग. The media mileage we will be giving you, the business opportunity with us, right? And every other thing you will be getting. You will be doing the ramp walk, and we will be training you, and everything you will be getting from our end, right? So with all these things you're getting, you will have to pay a participation fee, that is the 4,000 fee, to avail these benefits, right? Those benefits of the participation. Okay, am I clear to everyone? And the benefits I have already told you. These are the lifetime memberships, these are the OTT platform, and in any mode which now has already discussed with you. Okay, so this is your race, and the race has been started with you guys, and the race has already started with your first audition. So I guess आपकी जो सुबह उठे होगे, जो टेंशन में होगे कि अरे यार आज तो मेरा ऑडिशन होगा, आज तो मैं बड़ी नर्वस हूँ, पता नहीं क्या, what I will say, how I introduce myself, रैंप वॉक करना है. I haven't did my रैंप वॉक anytime, मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं है रैंप वॉक. तो आप थोड़े से नर्वस हो रहे हो. एंड इफ इट इज वर्चुअली, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग कि यार स्ट्रेंजर्स के सामने हाउ यू विल टॉक, बिकॉज हम तो आपके सामने एक फर्स्ट टाइम ही आए हैं, राइट? यू आर टॉकिंग विद योर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, पर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव नहीं है हम, वी आर द जूरी मेंबर्स. तो आपकी ये दिमाग में ये चीज नर्वस हो होगी आज, अब ये चीज नर्वस हटा के, एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू थ्रो इट ऑफ, राइट? तो वो सब चीजें थ्रो ऑफ कर दो. नाउ इट्स अबाउट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेशन, and after that it's about the crowning. That's what we are here for, right? To gain your individuality and gain the fame and popularity. यहाँ पे सब लोग थे, सब लोग चाहते हैं कि I wanted to prove myself. I wanted, if I have gained these 2 titles, like Shatabdi said, I have gained 2 titles, but I wanted to improve. Why have you gained 2 titles? I wanted the 5 titles should be under my name. Yeah, and यहाँ पे और भी हैं, like कोमल है, प्रियदर्शनी है, श्रेया है, सब they wanted to prove themselves. If I'm missing anyone, please Rakhi है, and Vishaka है, yeah. So they all wanted to prove themselves. And I must say, you all are photogenic. You all are so beautiful, and with the beautiful smile you're having. I must say, Shatabdi and Priyadarshini, you're wearing a beautiful dress, and you are all prepared for your audition. In spite, everyone is looking beautiful. From my end, you are looking beautiful. I am not looking beautiful. That's why, because of the race. So this is sorry about that. Okay. I just want, let's have Shreya. Shreya is pending with the ramp walk. So let's have a ramp walk with the music, and then we will wind it up, because I've already told you everything about the participation. If you have any doubt, you can clear it on here, and our customer support team is always here to support you. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट होता है तो you can call them, because आपके representatives ने ही आपको यहाँ पे enroll किया है, so they must be knowing you better than me. Yeah, अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, you can clear it out, and then हम श्रेया से start कर देंगे. Anything else? Yeah, we are all sorted. थोड़ी सी तो स्माइल कर दो. I need your smiling faces. Yeah, this is your audition. I am not a Hitler. Okay, Shreya, please have your ramp walk, and then we can wind it up. Vishaka, you wanted to say something?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to ask that.
I didn't get you. I guess you have again a network problem. Vishaka, I guess
get selected.
Okay. Vishaka, please write a message.
Hello?
In the chat box, and I can reply you as soon as I can see it. because your network issue is there. Okay. So I cannot, you know, yeah. And after this 24 hours, within 24 hours, as ma'am said, you will get your audition report as well. So be prepared for the audition report. Okay. Saka, I want you to write a message on the chat box and please mute yourself. Okay. Shreya, I want you to please, yes, please start. Unmute yourself. You have muted again. Yeah, please start.
Can I
your
start
voice, now? Yes.
Phone, can you please pick up the phone?
First of all, Shreya, you're completely visible to us. Please start. Okay, thank you so much. Please mute yourself, Shreya. It was loving to see you as well as your song. I love Cheap Thrills and I love you guys too. Okay, so we have a question here. I was just asking about the result date. Okay, so you will get it by tomorrow. You will get your audition report results by tomorrow itself. Okay, so keep waiting.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Komal, you're smiling so much. I love it. Okay, so guys, see you after in your training sessions as well as your talent round. I just wanted to introduce one thing more, that we are coming with a contest also. So if you pay this participation fee, directly you will avail to this contest. And contest ki jo prizes hain, the number one prize is, the first prize is 11,000 rupees. Yeah, right. Second is the first runner-up will get 5,000 rupees gift hamper, and second runner-up will get 3,000 rupees gift hamper. And we are coming with these contests on daily basis, right? So this contest has been started. I wish you all the best. Please enroll yourself with the participation, and then we can see you in contest as well as talent round, as well as your training sessions and everything which groom you, right? So keep smiling. I'm just saying goodbye to everyone. Hope you do well and wish you all the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice evening, I guess.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.